It's a 2018 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV you can be proud of. This CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. SKYACTIVA G engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Mazda Connect, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and Mazda radar cruise control. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.